So Restart Energy, they are done with the iSerial and the rest of them. So one of the things Restart Energy wants to do, they want to bring in a system where you can own your own energy franchise. So with a minimum of I think 1,000 red tokens, you can own your own energy franchise at the micro level. Then maybe if you have 10,000, you can own. There is a level you get to, you can own another franchise. Then 100,000, you can own another franchise. So what they want to do is, like, let's say McDonald's or Starbucks. So you can still be under Restart Energy. You are maybe control, or maybe in terms of control, regulations, and the rest of them, but you have your own franchise, just like the way they do with McDonald's or KFC and the rest of them. And that is going to be a very, very good thing. So you want to be asking, what company is Restart Energy? So they've worked with over a lot of companies in Romania. They are the leading energy producer when it comes to gas in Romania. So they've worked with Profi. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. So being based in Romania, these names are names that I actually know. In short, I got a lot of time to Profi and the rest of them. So working with a company like Profi, you'll be asking, okay, which company is Profi? Profi is a kind of rental store, a mall. They offer mini malls that are within, let's say, 2 to 3 streets. You could see one of them. So you're talking about in a city, like the city where I live, you're talking about Profi Mall that are over 10. It is in just the city I live. So, and then working with other companies. So the concept of bringing this energy franchise system into this stuff is going to be very, very great. Now, another thing about this platform is with Restart Energy, you can buy energy in any country. That's one of the things about the platform. So you can go through the white paper and see some of the people who are behind the platform, and then who they worked with before, and a lot of stuff. So there's a lot of things to learn from the platforms. So you want to keep your eye on platforms like this, and then another platform you want to keep your eye on is Electrify Asia. Everybody have their own market. Restart is going after the markets that is in Europe, and then going also to Asia. These are existing companies. Then talk about Electrify Asia. Is also an existing company in the rest of them. So I hope someday to bring many of these platforms I'm talking about, to bring their leaders into maybe one-on-one chats and interview and discuss some of these things so that you actually know. So keep your eye on my video. I'll be releasing my video soon on Zilliqa. I'm talking about what is Zilliqa, their past, where they've been coming from, and a lot of stuff. Do have a very good day.